Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Looks like Sweden's Saab is very keen in selling their Gripen fighters to every possible country. After offering the Gripen fighters to India and Finland, Saab is now eyeing the other offer which has come from Croatia. In this video, we will cover details about what actually Croatia is looking for, and we will also see if India can consider these Gripen fighters at least for the replacement of upgraded MiG-21 Bison, which are to be retired by 2022. Coming back to the requirement of fighters by Croatia, the Croatian Air Force operates 12 MiG-21 aircrafts in service as of December 2018, which were upgraded in 2003 and also refurbished again in 2014. These fighters are being planned to be retired by 2022, and Croatia has struggled to find replacement for this aging fleet. An RFP for 12 fighters was issued in January 2020, and the Croatian Ministry of Defense has been looking for MiG-21 replacement for a long time since 2017, and it kept delaying due to various reasons. During the MMRCA 2.0, Saab was offering the Gripen fighter to India along with a proposal to set up the world's most modern ecosystem and facility in India to manufacture the Gripen E fighter for Indian Air Force. In a similar way, Saab is also offering a customized strategic cooperation package to Croatia. Along with the Gripens, Saab has come up with a package that will boost the Croatian defense industry. According to the senior vice president and head of Saab business, Sweden is offering a comprehensive and long-term solution for Croatian homeland security that will protect the Croatia's people and borders in future. Just to give a quick intro about the Gripen fighter, the Gripen is a single-engine, multi-role combat aircraft designed and manufactured by Swedish company Saab AB. The Gripen has a delta wing and canard configuration due to which it is highly agile and versatile. These fighters have been exported to Brazil, Czech Republic, Hungary, South Africa, Thailand, and United Kingdoms to name a few countries. The variant which is being offered by Saab to the Croatian Air Force is the Gripen C and D multi-role fighter model. The other aircrafts which were in the race were F-16 Fighting Falcon and Korea Aerospace Industries T-50 Golden Eagle. If Croatia chooses Gripen, Saab is ready to transfer the technology and establish a regional aeronautical and support service center in Croatia. This would develop long-term cooperation with the local defense industry as well as academic sector, which will generate some 500 high-tech jobs. In a similar way, earlier Saab has shown interest to help India with local manufacturing if it wins the MMRCA 2.0 deal of 114 multi-role combat aircraft from competitors like Boeing, Lockheed Martin, Sukhoi, and Dassault Aviation. But even that didn't work out. According to me, these Gripen fighters are indeed a multi-role fighter and an agile aerial platform with advanced, highly adaptable avionics. These fighters are designed keeping many things in mind to have a long service life, low maintenance requirements. The major components such as the Volvo RM12 engine and PS05A radar are modular to reduce the operating cost and increase the reliability. The Gripen was designed to be flexible so that newly developed sensors, computers, and armaments could be easily integrated. To add more details, the Gripen E is a true multi-role fighter with outstanding capabilities and is developed to counter and defeat the most advanced threats in a modern battle space. Gripen E has also the same weapons package as Rafale, including the Meteor air-to-air missile. Even after so many proven characteristics, proven power, outstanding capabilities, I'm not sure why India hesitates so much to buy these fighters from Sweden. Even if it is not selected for MMRCA 2.0 RFI, at least it can be considered for replacement of MiG-21 Bison. This is completely my personal opinion, so please leave your comments on why this is not going to be a good idea. As mentioned in one of my previous video, One of the main reasons for which India was hesitating to shortlist Gripen fighter for the MMRCA 2.0 RFI was Pakistan. Even though Saab is offering the Gripen fighters to India with attractive offers, it was also providing the early warning aircraft systems to Pakistan, which is an issue that has upset the Indian Air Force. You can refer to the link for the video in which I mentioned more about why India won't go for Gripen fighter in the details section. So that was a quick update on Gripen fighters being offered to Croatia, and we also discussed the reasons for which Gripen is not being looked by India. So let us hope Saab wins the contract from Croatian Air Force for the replacement program for 12 MiG-21 fighter aircrafts, and also India considers these Gripen fighters for the replacement of MiG-21 Bison. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.